This is to show you how to replace your Big Joe 1 hinge. First step, have someone hold down the lid handle while you loosen the top band. Use an 8mm Allen head and a 17mm wrench to loosen the top band. After the bolt's removed from the top band, lift the top band over the lid using the lid handle. Next, remove the top band from the hinge using a 14mm socket. Next, to remove the screws, squeeze the band together and lift. Next, have your partner hold the hinge. Then loosen the bottom band from the grill and then remove the hinge and band. Finally, remove the bottom hinge bolts from the bottom band. We're going to show you how to reinstall your new Big Joe 1 hinge. First, lay your hinge on its back. Get your bottom band and align it to the bottom of the hinge. The way you want to do this, first you want to line up the holes on the short side of the band. And then pressing down in the center of the band and pushing down from above, you'll want to flex the band to align the holes on the long end. Next, tighten your acorn nuts onto the band. Next, get a partner to help you install the lower band and hinge assembly onto the grill. You'll need a partner to hold the hinge while you align the pins that are located on the front and back of the band. Once you have the pins aligned, tighten the bottom bolt. Next, you align your top band to the holes on the hinge, starting on the short side of the band. You may need to flex the band a little to get the right side to align. Next, tighten the acorn nuts on the band. Finally, pull down the top band by the lid handle and align the pin in the front of the band to the hole in the front of the lid. You may have to shift the band and lid around a little bit. And finally, tighten your top band.